Good morning, dear children. Children, I had given you this question to do practice the direction in the rough copy. Hope you all have done it. Children, in today's class, I will discuss the answer of this question. If you have not done this question, please do it in your practice copy or rough copy. So let us start. Children, here you can see Temple Park, school, post office and hospital. They are connected by a road. Or you can say the road map is given here, and on the basis of this road map you have to give the answers of these questions. Okay, so let us see what is the first question. Start from the post office. This is post office. Start from the post office, go straight and take a left turn at the crossing, then move forward and take a left turn at the second crossing. You reach the. Children, from the post office you have to go straight. Okay, and from the crossing, this is crossing, from the crossing you have to turn left. Okay, and this is second crossing, and from the second crossing you have to turn again left. Where will you reach? You will reach to the hospital. Okay, now let us see second question. Start from the hospital, go straight and take a right turn at the first crossing, move forward and take a left turn at the third crossing, then go straight till you reach the. Children, from where you have to start? You have to start from the hospital. Okay, from the hospital you have to go straight. You will get first crossing. From the first crossing you have to take right turn, right? Then you have to move forward. The second crossing you have got, you have to leave it and move forward, and from the third crossing you have to turn left. Okay, where will you reach? You will reach to the school. Correct? Now let us see what is question number 3. Start from the school. This is school. Start from the school, go straight and take a right turn at the first crossing. Move forward and take a left turn at the second crossing. Move forward till you reach. This is a school. From a school you have to start. You have to go straight, and after that you have to take a right turn. This is your first crossing. From here you have to take right turn. Okay, then you will get second crossing. This is second crossing, and from the second crossing you have to take left turn. Right, where you will reach? You will reach to the post office. Correct? Now let us see next question. Start from the park, go straight and take a right turn at the first crossing. Go straight and move forward till you reach. This is park. From the park you have to start, go straight, and this is first crossing. From first crossing you have to take right turn. Okay, and go straight. You have to go straight and move forward till you reach to the hospital. हॉस्पिटल ही तो पहुंचेंगे, ठीक है। चलो, नाउ लुक एट द लास्ट क्वेश्चन। स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द टेम्पल, गो स्ट्रेट and take a right turn at the first crossing. This is your temple. From the temple you have to start, go straight and take a right turn. This is right turn. From the first crossing, again you have to take first right turn from the crossing. This is crossing. From this first crossing you have to take first right turn, and on the second crossing you have to take left turn. Where will you reach? You will reach to the hospital. Children, hope you all have understood the direction of these things. So please do practice, and if you have not done questions, do it in your copy. And I have given multiplication sums also, so please do practice of those sums. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.